Welcome to Spiritual Herb Whisper. Here we explore the sacred language of plants and the healing wisdom they carry. Today's episode, the 5 most powerful herbs for spiritual cleansing. 1. Rosemary. Rosemary isn't just for cooking. It's a powerful purifier. Burn rosemary to clear negativity and awaken clarity in your home. 2. Lavender. Lavender's calming scent soothes the spirit. Place dried lavender under your pillow for peaceful dreams. 3. Mugwort. Mugwort is known for enhancing intuition. Burn it during meditation or add it to dream pillows to open your third eye. 4. Palo Santo. Palo Santo is a sacred upliftment. Light Palo Santo to raise vibrations and create sacred space. 5. Sweetgrass. Sweetgrass carries prayers and blessings. Braid and burn it to draw in positivity and gratitude. If you're ready to align with nature and awaken your spirit, hit subscribe and join our herbal journey. Grab your herbal healing starter kit now. Click the link below.